If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Alt text in Word is a text description of a document image that helps improve user accessibility. Word from Microsoft 365 automatically generates alt text for pictures you insert into a document. To view the alt text for a selected picture in a Word document, click the Alt Text button in the Accessibility button group on the Picture Format contextual tab of the ribbon to open the alt text pane at the right side of the window. The current alt text description of the selected picture appears within the large white text box in the alt text pane. To approve an automatically generated description, check the Approve Alt Text checkbox in the task pane. Alternatively, to type your own description, click into the large white text box, delete the existing description, and then type a simple description of the image. Alternatively, to try and automatically generate a different description of the picture after deleting the automatically generated alt text, click the Generate Alt Text for Me button that then appears in this pane. This button only appears when there is no text entered into the text box. Alternatively, to skip creating an alt text entry for the selected picture in Word, if the picture is purely decorative, check the Mark as Decorative checkbox in the task pane to not distract the reader. To close the alt text pane, click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.